have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're going
to meet. Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinese Kiki. If you're also a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today is another day on a Monday, and we're going to get our first shot of the vaccine, the Pfizer. Baby, we're getting the Pfizer, right? Yeah, so we're getting the Pfizer vaccine today, the first shot. And then I'm just curious. I don't know whether I'm going to like get the after side effect, or I don't know. I don't know whether it's also going to be painful. I'm so afraid of needles, but let's go there. I have my ID and my mouth mask. I have everything. We go?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey loves, and welcome back. So today is another day, and it's just a few days until we head to our new destination. So yeah, me and Happy, we are planning to go on a trip, and I just wanted to show you guys how I pack, how I choose my outfits, because I think people would also love to know how I do my stuff like that. So I just removed everything that I think I need, and then I put them aside, and then I will also make a decision. Do I really have to carry it, or do I have to leave it behind? And then from there I can decide. So I'll just show you what I have here. So down here I have put all the clothing. So I have put pants. I have pants here. So this is my favorite, because during this autumn fall weather you need something like this. It's always a little bit warm on the inside, and I really love this look. I'm also in for the nudes. I also got another one the other day from Calzedonia. This is from Calzedonia. I also got a few tights from Calzedonia as well, and then I also got these turtlenecks. I got these turtlenecks. They were like, I think 39.90, almost like 40 euro each. And these ones, they're from, what's this store that I went to the other day? Intimissimi. So Intimissimi has really nice products, and I love it, especially for my bras and for my innerwear. But in this case I got these ones because this is something totally different. It's made of I think silk and wool. So this is wool and silk. They even told me how I'm supposed to clean it, wash it, because it's very different from the other ones that I have. And it's super stretchy. Really, you can see that it's stretching a lot. So I got it in black and in nude. I think that's better because I can also wear it with this. I also got this other one. This is from Pull & Bear. You've seen me with this before. I bought it from ASOS, but it's from Pull & Bear. It's also very super stretchy. So I think these are things you wear when you're walking a lot in the city, and then the rest are just dresses. Oh, I have this one. These hubby bought for me when we started dating. It's from Zara. I just love the details at the bottom with the pearls. That's the main reason I love it. I also have this mango trouser that I've had for many years as well. So these two are oldies, and I'll just begin with the clothing. So let's start. Ooh. Let's start now. I hate and love this part, but packing is easier usually than unpacking. Oh, I also forgot I should take a few hats, a handbag, and maybe 2 jackets. I don't want to carry a lot of jackets. Oh my god, packing for this season is usually very hectic because you need a jacket. Or I'll carry the brown one, a black one, and nude. Only 3. We'll see.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love, you don't. No. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. Don't want you to know my love is lost. Oh, well, there's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I'll say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, don't call me back, just say goodbye. I can't change the past, don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any
So now the next thing that I'm going to pack is the pajamas, because of course you need to pack this for sleeping. I'll pick this one. Here I also have a couple more for sleeping. So yeah, now I'm just going to pack this. Oh, okay. I already even have the outfit to wear. Yeah. Just my usual pajamas. I think 4 will be enough for 5.
tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye. Yeah, I'll say goodbye. Don't call me back, just say goodbye. Let's put the sun back in the sky. Tired of crying, don't call me back, just say I'll say goodbye.
So today is on a Saturday, and now we are on our way to Brussels, because then from Brussels we're going to travel there tomorrow. Anyways, I just want to go there. We're going there because we felt like it's better we sleep there, because tomorrow then it will be without a lot of hassle to go there. Yep. So see you around, guys.
All these busy people worried something's wrong.
So my loves, we're now at the train and we're heading straight to Brussels. And the reason why we opted to take a train is because it's easy, it's efficient, you don't have to pay for the parking fees. Also, it's very fast in comparison to also driving. How weird, yeah? So we're just heading straight up there. We go take the PCR test for the COVID, and then after taking the PCR test, we sleep in a hotel in Brussels, and then tomorrow we start our journey, hopefully, God willing. So I'll keep you posted throughout the whole travel from here in Belgium.
Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Don't take it personally. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby. Highly emotional, baby.
We've changed the train and now we are on our way to Brussels Airport, Zaventem, in a few. God, guys, it's so cold, and after having that test, oh my goodness, not a good combination with this weather. True, baby? True or false?
I don't know what you said. I'm still in shock.
No, I'm saying, like, you know, like having the test done and with the weather, it's not a good combination.
Yeah, it's all good. Everything
okay.
is good.
They said it will be out in 3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours.
Okay, cool. We'll be waiting.
Till you call it, I feel so alright. You need more of me, all my loving. Yeah, it's a love spree. Get over here,
Love, so we've arrived at the hotel. We checked in. We went for the COVID test. We now have to wait for 3 hours, and then we'll have the results, and then tomorrow we start with our journey. So I would really say I'm grateful if you stayed up to this point, and thank you so much for liking this video already, sharing it with your friends, subscribing, and also just showing support in any kind or way. So I'll get to see you on my destination, and thank you so much. See you, loves. So the reason why we decided to sleep at the airport is because it becomes very easy to maneuver, getting the COVID test, also not missing anything, you know, like we kind of prepared all of this in advance. So that's the reason why we decided to stay here. It's just like a walking distance, 2 minutes to the departures, and we are good to go. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute to departure. So that's the main reason why we did that. So anyways, my love, I'm super excited for this coming trip, and I hope to see you.
love spree. I'll be a night, watch dreams, love spree.